Welcome to AIRobo Studio, the AI native Scratch platform that makes hardware programming effortless. Today, I'll show you how to program the ESP32 S3 Life, using Scratch blocks, with no upload required. Traditionally, programming microcontrollers means writing code, compiling, and uploading. It's slow, technical, and not beginner-friendly. With AIRobo Studio, you can connect your ESP32 S3 directly and control it live. Only one-time upload live mode firmware. No code uploads, no waiting, just drag and drop Scratch blocks, and watch your hardware respond instantly. Here's how it works. Click on Connect menu and select the COM port, then under the Edit menu, click ESP32 S3 Live firmware and upload it to the microcontroller. Now, I'll drag a block to toggle the LED. Watch, as soon as I click, the LED responds in real time. This is live programming, powered by AIRobo Studio. This makes classroom teaching and prototyping faster than ever. Educators can demonstrate robotics concepts instantly, and developers can test ideas without repetitive uploads.